Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Lovo.ai account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply go to Lovo.ai. On the menu bar, you will find two options such as Sign In and Sign Up. Click on Sign Up if you want to create a new account. And if you want to connect to the account that you have already created, simply click on Sign In. Now you can sign in using two methods, either using Google or manually entering your email address and password. The choice is up to you. It depends on how you want to sign in. For now, I want to sign in using my Google account, so I simply click on this button. As I created my account using Google, it is prompting me to sign in using my Google account. I simply click on this button, choose the account, and that's it guys, that is how you log in to your Lovo.ai account. Thanks for tuning in, we appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.